You won't believe the number of things you can do with one of these mini devices, not just for their intended purpose, but also for other functionalities. Of course, with some modifications, which I found fun. Hello everyone, I am Code Inverse. This is my first video in English, so please excuse me my pronunciation, as I am still learning to speak this language correctly and I need to practice. Anyway, today I want to show you how I improved this mini router to use it with my PS4. To do this, you will need a computer, an internet cable, and a router or network device with a OpenWRT system. I spent a few days coming up with the idea to build it since I had to learn to use the Linux system that this mini router has. By the way, it looks very nice. I know a bit about Linux, at least enough to be able to do this. Well, I want to show you how it works. I leave the link in the pinned comment for you to try it out. For now, it works with mine. It should work with any other modem or router you'd have that has OpenWRT. As per the instruction, you should install PuTTY or Git Bash. Either one works depending on which you know how to use. Next, go to the distro repository to download goldhen.bin, and lastly, a USB drive with 1 or more GBs. To start, follow the instructions I left in the repository. Open the PuTTY or Git Bash. It should have the IP address or hostname of the router or modem. Enter the password and we will be connected. Now verify the unzip is installed. If it's not installed, run the follow command to install it. We can also check from the browser by logging into the Lucy Web admin. Next, run this last command. Copy everything and paste it into the terminal. And finally, hit enter to complete the installation. Wait for the download to complete. Here, the options to install PPPWN should appear, depending on the chip your device has. In my case, it's MIPS. I recommended installing MIPSEL, since this one works. I tried MIPS, but there seems to be an error that prevents it from running. I haven't tried REM either, so you can try it. Then format the USB drive to FAT32 or exFAT. Copy goldhen and bin to the USB drive disconnected from your computer. And connect it to your PS4 console. Also, connect the router to your console with an Ethernet cable. You can also use your phone with the router's Wi-Fi. On the console, set up a network connection via LAN cable and select PPPoE. For the username and password, use PPP to enable the internet connection. Use the default options for the other settings and return to the main screen. Now, enter the web browser with the IP address or hostname of the router plus pppwn at html to access the web interface. Here we have it, ready to test. If it didn't work for you and nothing appears in this field, you can try download pppwn again by clicking the update button. This will download and install all the files again, and you can reinstall another pppwn option. This button also serves to update. This other button is for enable AutoStart, in case you turn off the router and turn it back on. pppwn will run automatically. Click Run and wait until pppwn works its magic. In my case, it took 1 minute to start Goldhand. With this, your PS4 console will be ready. I added some options. If you have this router model, you can use the switch button to automatically start pppwn. Activate it once and wait for Goldhand to activate. Once Goldhand is activated, wait a few seconds until the internet connection is enabled. Now you can browse the internet. If you have any questions or problems, write them in the comments. I will respond as soon as I can. If it helped you and you like the content, you can support me. I'll leave the links in the description. Any donation will help me continue improving this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think. See you next time.